Okay, students, I just announced that name of vegetable cuts. You have to repeat that, okay?
Yes,
With the good sound, and it's actually for remembrance, okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
start from the cuts. Okay, the first cut is batnet cut. Okay, first cut name is batnet cut. Okay, it's a long cut, and then we are working on. This is called Jordanier. Jordanier cut. What is called? Jordanier. Then we move. Next cut is julienne cut. Julienne cut is used for we are working when we are working in Chinese kitchens. So we are making chow meins, hakka noodles. Then these juliennes are vegetable cuts. The carrot juliennes we are using for that particular dish. After that, this is called small dice. Another name. This is called macedon. What is called macedon? And then is finally chopped. Okay, and then is dice cut. Just remember dice cut. After that, this what is called roundel cut, and then slice cut. Okay, after that veggies cut. This is called shredded, and then slit. Okay, so these are 10 cuts, which is very basic cuts, very important cuts. Thank you so much.